Here we come to the elevator at Terminal D at George Bush Intercontinental Airport in Houston, Texas. Listen to that bell. That one right there doesn't work, or it's not in commission anymore. This is the only one that works. Someone might be on it, so I'm gonna point the camera away. Wait until you hear this motor going up. I rode this thing 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes to an hour, I think. This is just your standard transit system elevator. I think it's either a Montgomery or Dover, I don't know. But listen to this motor, this thing's epic. I love that bell.
Level 1.
88 phone. Going up.
Level 3.
Have a good day. We're gonna have to take for one more ride because the rustling sound you just heard overpowered the motor. Hopefully no one goes up the second time. I think it's a Montgomery according to the chime. This is quite an interesting elevator. I believe it was installed in the 90s.
Level 1. Nivel 1.
Alright, no one's coming on. Good. Here it goes.
Level 3.
That was awesome. That was a great startup I've ever heard. There it goes. And that's it.